often should you clean your gutters? Yeah, let's go to it. 1 to 2 times a year, of course. It also varies. Depends on if you have a lot of trees around your neighborhood, and because if you get filled up with all those leaves, your gutter system is not gonna work right. A lot of debris in them, pin needles, and stuff like that. So you want to at least do it twice a year. I would say one time in the spring and then one time around the fall because you never know what kind of weather we're gonna get in Texas. Like 2 years ago, we got all the ice. But yeah, it's not a hard task to do. You can DIY it or you can hire somebody else to do it, but just make sure you do it because if you get all that back up and you gotta stop working, it can lead to other stuff, mold, a lot of insects coming in, pests. It can ruin your roof. It can damage your wood on your house. So it's one of those things where if you don't do it, then later on, then it's gonna cause other problems. So hope this helped you out. And if you need help with something like that, give me a call or fill out a form.